Order filled.
All right, we are in.
Target filled.
Beautiful. All right, guys, welcome back to my second day of me actually trying to trade my Topstep account. My apologies for the first video of me accidentally saying that was my second day. This is technically my second day. A little update though for this. I did add one more contract to me trading. So we're gonna be trading 2 contracts on the MES. So just letting you guys know about that. So we are in a little downtrend. It did like kind of rip up a little bit above the EMA. I'm assuming that we might have a little reversal. I think we might be going for longs pretty soon. I think this little downtrend is basically over, but this is before like the market's like starts going crazy and whatnot. So I gotta be careful because it might just shake up at any time. I probably won't trade this. I probably wait like another like 30-ish minutes or so to start trading, or potentially looking for a trade. But if I see like a trade setup happen like around these times, then I might take it, to be honest. But right now I'm just being vigilant, I'm just watching, and so yeah. But I will come back when I see a potential setup or a trade that I might want to take. So just be right back. So I believe that we might be in an uptrend right now, based off of this right here. We did go below this lower low right here, but I think we are in an uptrend. I'm not gonna take this trade because I'm not too confident, but first entry long did just occur like right here. So it's the first entry long right there. So I just want to see if like this might like play out. But so that's the first entry long. But I think it's continuously still going to the downtrend. All right, so in a downtrend, to be honest, but I'm thinking like it might get a long opportunity. I think this is like what the lines are looking like, or it's how the trend is looking like right now as well. Talking to okay, no, yeah, this looks pretty good. Pretty good. I don't like how this is kind of going out, but it's actually kind of looks pretty good actually. So I'm thinking of like a long opportunity that's gonna happen relatively soon, or maybe it might just come out all the way down to this trend line. Yeah, okay, I think that going long is nullified now, but there's still a lot of buyers right here though. Quite a bit of buyers. So I'm thinking, I wonder if after this candle forms, would it rip up? Because if the going long still like holds out to be true, it would most likely be after this candle that's forming right now. So I'd put it like right here, right there. So I'd be into that trade. I really can't tell. I really don't know. But this would be like that long. This would be the second long that I'd be looking for. But it's been making like a little lower lows because I'll put my swing or my stop loss like right here, and then a little 1-to-1. But I can't really tell. Like I said, I really can't tell. This would be that actual long, because the EMA gonna reject it. It's gonna hold it, pushing right through the EMA. So yeah, should have took that one. Could have got the my 2 points if I didn't move my target profit. But no, yeah, we should have took that one. But that's on me. That's on me. I'm pretty sure that would have actually hit. So, but it is a-okay. So we're looking for another trade though soon. But yeah, I should take that trade. But it's all right. Come back when there's more analysis, or just I want to take a trade or something like that. See, this is what I mean. Like I actually need to start being like a little bit more aggressive on the MES. So called it out, and it would have worked. But just as I wasn't too confident with the setup. But since we're on MES, I should be a little more aggressive, and at the time I should just put my order in. And if it went against me, we would have lost some money obviously, but it wouldn't be like too bad. But next time if I see like a little setup like this happen again, I think we'll go right into it. Even if I might be like down myself a little bit, unless like the doubt is like I'm down myself like crazy. But like I think like that was like a fair amount of like kind of like doubting my ability to see that it was gonna go long right there. But we're in a still downward trend. But yeah, I should have taken that trade, and that's what I'm talking about. Like I need to be a little bit more aggressive with that. But it's a good learning moment. That's all that matters. Just a good learning moment, and we will persevere. So I'll be right back though. So I am looking at this right now. I do see a first entry short. Potentially after this bar, you might see that second entry short. So like 2 more candles out to print out, or maybe after this one might trigger. But it is getting pretty close to like where the market starts getting very choppy. So I don't know if I would like to take that trade, because where the market like opens, especially it's choppy. I know for sure don't take that one. Like for sure, like once it like gets choppy, or not, my bad, not choppy. When it gets like more active like that, set it out and just watch. I know that's the case. Just set it out and watch. But yeah, the market's gonna start getting crazy in like next like 10 minutes. So I don't know if I would like to hop into this trade if that second entry short does play out. So this is the one of the exceptions, because I know like I should not be playing the open of like when market volatility. I know I should be waiting like after market's a little bit done being volatile, and then we're taking in some trades. But yeah, it's just gonna get very volatile very soon, and I gotta just watch and see what happens after that and make some sound decisions after that. So this will not be the second entry short, by the way, but yeah, okay, I don't think if it happens, I don't think I'm gonna take that trade, the second entry short, because it's gonna open. So I'll be back after the volatility, and maybe when I see something happening, see something for me. So be right back. So this would have been that second entry short right here. So but missed the trade, and the market's gonna start going volatile very soon. So like I said, don't want to hop into that at all, because I don't want to be into that. It's a whole lot of mess I don't want to get into. So we're just waiting to see something form and just being patient. So yeah, I'll be back when I see something occurring. But that was that second short entry. But yeah, couldn't take it because like I said, I'm not comfortable with it right now. So yeah, I'll be right back. Yeah, look at this. So would have entered right here and push all the way down here, and the market is now pretty volatile. So yeah, no, see that would have worked out in my favor. So that's beautiful right there, but wasn't too confident about it. But just want to talk about that really quickly. And it's volatile now, so now I gotta just wait for another setup to occur and then come back and talk to you guys about it. So I need to draw these out a little bit more. It's been pretty good. Get rid of this one, and then just going on this one, and there we go. Move it down here. It's looking pretty good. This looks pretty long. The trading range is pretty long, so I think we're due to like start going up soon. At least like a little pullback like out of the trend, like up here or something like that, and then back into the trend potentially. But yeah, so I'm just looking for another setup to occur. So I'll be back when that happens. All right, so we are back, and we just had 2 just big rip ups. I don't know what happened, I don't know why that happened, but look at that. So I'm thinking that this might be a new channel to trend. My bad, channel to trade. New channel to trade. Looks something like this. So I had like a little working up higher right here, but I think I see the big picture now, so I can get rid of these. So I think now we're looking for the longs. We are looking for longs now. Hopefully some entries might happen right here. It is in the middle of the EMA, and maybe I should like wait till it comes like back down here. But if I see like an entry happen, well, now it's breaking through the EMA, I guess a little bit. But once some entries happen, I think I might capitalize off of that. But so much down, and then a little reversal until an uptrend. But I will be back when I see something. Okay, and so now we are back. So now we have a working lower trend right now. I'm not sure if it's going to continue into this trend that we had going on previously, or it's just going to reverse back up into this upward trend. I think it might go back to like this other trend right here, but I genuinely do not know what's going on here. Let me draw something like this. Yeah, I have no idea what's going on right now. Looks like we might be in a shorting market right now, a little bearish market right now. But I really cannot tell, to be honest. I'm really not sure. very uncertain right now. So I'm looking at this downward trend, right? So I'm seeing, so there's a spike right here, and I made this channel. It's based off the downtrend that we're in right now. However, I'm gonna remove these trend lines, right? And I'm thinking that like it spiked, right? And then now we might be into a channel, something like this, rather than how it was looking previously. I do need to see more candlesticks play out. I don't think it's like really like this. I think maybe hopefully it'll come back down a little bit long, a little bit more, so the channel be a little bit wider like this. First thing, I feel a little more confident like the channel a little bit wider like this or like that, but for right now it's gonna have to do. We need to see some more lower lows to make the channel obviously a little bit bigger, a little wider, but until then that's really about it. But this is what the channel's looking like right now to me. It's really tight. It's really tight, I'm not gonna lie. I don't know how I feel about that. Not really too about a very tight channel like this, but might be able to make something work from this. But so this is what's going on right now. It's just no opportunities to really get into the market right now. I've been seeing only like first entries, or it's just straight pumps, dumps, you know, and there's a little pump, dump, and then so just dumping again right now to this trend line. So I really don't see an entry at all. There's already one entry short right here, but it already, what's it called, it already occurred, and there was no second entry that had formed as well, and it's pumping once again. For what reason, I am not entirely too sure. So we are probably gonna have to remove these this line right here and maybe make it a little bit lower, or no, I think this might actually still hold out to be true because of these bottoms right here. So I think it might be like retesting to come back into this trading range, or not, well, not trading range, but this downward trend right here. But just gotta keep watching and seeing what might occur. Okay, so we are in a downtrend. I'm not sure how these trend lines are really gonna hold up well. I don't really necessarily like this one right here because all I'm touching one, but I'm gonna go based off of that. I am gonna probably get into this.
Order submitted.
I'm thinking that a second entry might occur like right now or so. Like after this this bar here, I think that might be a second entry short. I want to see it like wick through first and see what happens. Or actually, I'm gonna wait a little bit because only this bar is looking pretty indecisive, to be honest. But I'm trying to miss out on this because I do see a potential signature short right here. So working up high right here, first entry short right here, and then kind of work down, and then now we worked up a bit, but just looking for that second entry right now. And I put my swing like right here, and then just target. So like the risk reward like will be like or the risk would be like pretty low, I'd say. I think so. Actually, it's a little, it's decent, but I'm looking to see how this kind of closes. It's kind of looking pretty indecisive too as well, I'm not gonna lie. But I'm thinking that we're in a downtrend. I think that this will potentially play out, or I might see a couple more bars. So it's still pushing above the EMA. I'm gonna push out of the trading range. Hopefully not, but hey, if it does, it'll be okay. Okay, this might actually be it right here. I think I'm going to enter. This moves up. See if we can get into this trade. I think that it might continuously to go down. I know it's a pretty big bullish candle right here, but it's looking at pretty good second entry short. Flex probably going with only one contract right now just because it's very, I don't understand what's going on in the market. I think I might, yeah. Yeah. We're gonna
Order
switch this real quick.
canceled.
What? I wasn't able to. Can't buy, or I can't sell. Not that too sure why it's not letting me sell. Having problems. It's very unfortunate that I just had these issues. Very unfortunate I just had these issues with my me trying to change the contracts, but I think that maybe would have worked. So that's exactly at 2 points. So I don't know if that would have hit, or actually that would have not hit. I think mine's like a little bit more than 2 points, so that would have not hit. Unless I got out of the trade like way sooner than that. But I still think that it has the potential of it still reversing down. But it's a pretty bullish bar, not going to lie. Okay, this might be it right here. Okay, and for some reason now I can't even place an order. Yeah, I need to figure out what's going on with this, so I'll be back and hopefully I can figure it out as soon as possible, because I can't place an order right now, so I don't know why. Okay, so now it seems like I can
Order submitted.
finally put my orders in, so that's
Order
fortunate,
canceled.
but it does look like that scalp did work out. So we entered off of right here, right? 2.5. I mean, we'll be like almost in the TP, but or maybe like we have to look right through it, but basically right there. So that would have been a pretty good short, but very unfortunately couldn't take it because I messed up my own. I messed my stuff up, unfortunately, but it is what it is. It's okay. But that being said, all my drawings are gone. Very unfortunate. But it looks like we're in kind of a trading range though, actually. Yeah, it's like we're in an actual trading range. So I think that might be a blessing in disguise. Kinda, I don't know. But yeah, so it's already wait, hold on. What I was looking at prior and what I'm looking at now looks completely different personally. I don't even see, after from like this swing low, I only see one failed entry short. I don't see two. I'm not too sure why is that, but yeah. But so it's looking pretty good. Looks like we're in a trading range right now, so I do kind of like that. So maybe I might be able to take a short potentially. Like I said, I only see one, and that one is right here. It's right there. So but yeah, that's unfortunate I wasn't able to take that trade. Very unfortunate, but at least now it works now. Just have to relog back into my Ninja Trader and you're golden. But yeah, so I only see one entry short that just happened to play out, and then now we're having a oh my god, a really big bullish bar. Now it's ripping through the channel, and I wonder if it's going to return back, or if this might just be starting to go long. I can potentially see this occurring, but I also do see it coming right back into this channel and not really doing too much of it going out of this range. Fortunately, did not see the second entry short occur. Happened to look away. So basically right here, so we had that first entry short right here. It worked up, came like went out of the channel, and it came back into the trading range, and then so saying like this is that second entry right there, and then it did pump down. Unfortunately, I was not paying attention, but it already played out. Obviously cannot take the trade if already played out. And I'm also gonna get rid of these little trend lines upwards. But yeah, very unfortunate to see that, but it's okay. It's okay. So I am starting to think of going along.
Order submitted.
So I'm gonna get my buy order. So I think maybe after this candle, depending if it goes above this right here, that might trigger a long opportunity. I did draw these trend lines right here and then right there, as you guys do see. And hold on, let me take this real quick. I think this might be a chance that we can go long. So ordering real quick.
Order filled.
All right, we are in this previous swing low. I think I'm gonna just target my 8 points or 10 points. My apologies. Unless I want to get that 1 to 1. which didn't like extend it a little bit up to right there, but I don't think I'd like to do that today. Oh, it's not right now. Oh, I'm in 2 contracts with this trade, so let's see how this plays out.
Target filled.
Beautiful, and that's how it's done right there. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. So right here, so we have this high right here, so we have the first entry long right there. My apologies about that. So high, first entry long right there, and then comes back down a little bit below the EMA, and then right here the second entry long, so right there hit target profit. Beautiful, well freaking done. First trade 1-0 on the day, so that was pretty good, and off of 2 contracts. That is beautiful. That off of 2 contracts. I was not paying attention. I probably would have done that only on 1 contract, but did it on 2. But feeling pretty confident, very happy about that. So I just want to talk about this just a little bit. I know going from 1 contract to 2 contracts like that is crazy, and I'm not shouldn't be doing that. But like I said, since we're on MES and only risking a couple of dollars rather than like, you know, way more money on the ES, I'm gonna scale. Wow, look at that drop. Wow. So I got in and out instantly. So I wonder if this trend line is actually holding up, which is beautiful. Anyways, so or not. Anyways, so yeah, like I said, so now we're on MES. We're risking a couple of dollars rather than the ES, so we're risking a lot more money, right? That's what ends that trade once again, just see if it will work again, but obviously that's a bad idea. But so MES, we're risking a little less dollars rather than ES, so I'm gonna scale up to like 2 contracts. I'm gonna cap out at 2 contracts right now. That's for the MES. I'm gonna stop at 2 contracts and more days of trading, and then probably move to the ES. I'm thinking like in a week after this week, maybe 1 more week off the MES, or maybe like half of next week off the MES, and then depending on how well we're doing with the combine, I might just switch to ES. To be honest, I'm not gonna scale up to 2 contracts like that, like right off the bat, for sure not. I'm gonna be working with 1 contract for a couple of days. If I see like a really good setup, then I might go in with 2 contracts, to be honest. But unless I see like a really, like, it has to be like very good, a very good setup. But I'm not really looking to scout for 2 contracts. I'm gonna be doing only 1 contract on the ES, and until we have like much of a buffer room, or we win a couple of trades for sure, then I'll probably scale up to 2 contracts and then stay there for a little bit, and then have that 3rd contract as a runner. But until then, that's just the way how it's done. 1-0 on the day, baby. 1-0 on the day. So come back when I see another potential trade or something I'd like to just analyze and just talk about. So like, we are in an uptrend, and it's like this trend line is actually holding to be true, which is very beautiful, and I'm very happy about that. But be right back. All right, and so we are back. So I am seeing a first entry long, which is right here, and then this would have been the second entry long after it passed right around here. However, this is like such a big bar. So one, very indecisive. This bar previously right here is a bearish bar, so odds are not looking too great personally. But this would classify in my eyes as a second entry long. But obviously I'm not in that trade. I don't trust it. Doesn't feel right. And also at the same time, I am going to be closing down trading for the day, because it's getting late in the day, and it's gonna start being choppy. It's not really gonna be ranging much, so I'm gonna get out, be up on the day while I'm up on the day. So so yeah, 1-0 on the day, so that's very beautiful, very lovely. So for the most part on the day, we're just kind of bouncing around. I'm still kind of learning how to work these charts, so just keep just bear with me. Just bear with me. So we were just kind of ranging around for a little bit. It spiked up, spiked down, spiked up again, spiked down again. Really unfortunately, no really trades were able to be taken right here, because I only seen like first entries, no second entries to go based off of to enter in, and that's that, unfortunately. However, was able to call out some things earlier before this was able to play out. Unfortunately, all my drawings are gone, so I can't really remember where exactly that was at. However, was able to call out some things, and then had a problem trying to enter a trade right here going short, which it would have worked. So it could have been 2-0 on the day, but unfortunately had some technical difficulties. But nonetheless, I'm still very happy with the trading day. Can't really complain. Up on the day, what's more to complain about, you know? Like I said, it's very unfortunate about that. You know, could have been a 2-0 on the day. However, it just is what it is. And look at that. So it was just a trap. Personally, it was a trap. So if I went long right there, we got trapped out. But anyways, that's see, I'm done trading for the day. So yeah, that's really about it, and that's gonna be all for today's video. I hope you guys did enjoy this video, and I hope you guys this day was I hope you guys this trading day was great. I hope it went good for you guys. Went pretty good for me, so all I can say. But until next video, guys, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and you know what, take it easy now. Okay, so I am coming back at the end of the video. I just want to say that I do see why it kind of went short right here. So push down below the EMA, come down here and make the swing, and then so there is one first attempt to go short right here, which obviously failed when it made a higher high in a way, and then it came to this one, made even higher high. However, after it broke this one, that's what it triggered that short. So I do see why this did play out to the downside right here. So I just want to bring it back, talk to you guys a little bit about that, you know, do a little analysis, and yeah, because I got to be able to understand what I'm seeing, and I do see why that is, but I need to be able to articulate to see what's going on as well, to, you know, have a better understanding in my eyes. This is what I believe. So if you can articulate what's going on, then you can then you have a pretty good understanding of like what's actually, you know, going on, you know. So just want to come back to articulate what I'm seeing and talk a little bit about it. But that's really about it. A quick little update. So like I said, I see why that happened. Swing right here, first entry short right there, second entry short right there, and then just triggered. So that's nice. So I don't know why I was thinking about going long, but my mind was into going long. Obviously, like I said, would have gotten trapped, and then that would have been it. But I do see why that short did play out. So just want to talk about that really quickly. But that is actually all for the day. I appreciate all of you guys. I greatly appreciate all of you guys for watching this, and yeah, I hope you guys did enjoy today's video. But till next video, like I said, take it easy.